don't freak her out, okay? She's worried we're going to come and eat her.
Yeah.
She needs to know it's okay.
You're safe, Mommy.
Yeah.
That is the mommy.
Definitely.
That poor little baby.
Oh. Let's see if she'll nurse and give the baby some strength.
Oh.
Checking on her.
Checking on the baby so it's alright. I think Mom is kind of thankful of what we did.
Just look around, make sure things are safe.
She's not thankful. She's worried what we did to her.
To the baby.
Lucy, no.
That sweet little thing.